Welcome to Bitunet Code channel. Guys, in today's video, we will see how we can do route filtering in EIGRP with the help of ACL and Distribute List. So the goal of this video is that we want 10.1.1.0 network or this 10.1.1.1 network or host should not be able to reach R3. This should be able to reach R2 but not at R3. So let's see how we can do that. Let's start all the routers and take a console session. R1, R2 and R3. We can see that as usual the IP address configuration we are using will be 12 between R1 and R2, 23 will between R2 and R3. EIGRP AS is 100. Show IP int brief, exclude unassigned. IP addresses are already configured with four loopbacks, right? Show IP protocol, no protocol is running. Show IP int brief, exclude unassigned. IP address is configured here also. Show IP protocols, no protocol is running. Show IP int brief, exclude unassigned. Only one interface that is up. 23.1.1.3, right? Show IP protocols, no protocol is running. So let's enable config T EIGRP 100 network. Let's do 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, I have included all the networks and right. Show IP protocol. Now EIGRP is running and it has included all the routes. Router EIGRP running, no auto summary and right. Show IP protocols. Okay, these metrics etc. hop count we have already discussed in the past. So you can have a look at my previous video if you have any doubts about these things. Let's go to R2, configure terminal, router EIGRP 100, no auto summary, network. Here we have only two networks, so 12 and 23. So 12.1.1.0, 0.0.0.255 adjacency created, you can see that, and right. Show IP EIGRP neighbor, adjacency is created. Show IP protocol. Protocol is up, right? Config T on R3, router EIGRP 100, network. Let's include all the networks. Shortcut command. Okay, enter and right. Show IP EIGRP neighborship, adjacency created. Show IP protocol. EIGRP is running successfully. Show IP route. Okay, we can see that end-to-end routing table information is available and connectivity should also be there. 10.1.1.1, 10.1.2.1, 10.1.3.1, 10.1.4.1, right? So we have end-to-end connectivity. Now we want that we should not this 10.1.1.1 network should not be able to reach R3. From here also we can check the connectivity. 10.1.1.1 and 23.1.1.3, right? So we will do route filtering on R2, right? Configure terminal. So to enable route filtering with the help of ACL and distribute list, let's create access list. Access list will be creating standard access list. access list, let's say let's give it a 10. Okay, deny. What we want to deny, we want to deny for, we can use single host, or we can give the network, right? So here we want to give the network 10.1.1.0. Nobody from this network should be able to reach R3. So here we will use wildcard missed 0.0.0.255. Enter. Enter. Right, there is a implicit deny at the end of access list statement, so we have to permit rest of the traffic. 10 permit any, so any source host, and okay, destination is not required because that is required in extended ACL. So permit any. Okay, do show access list. Okay, so this is the access list that we have created. Now we will go to EIGRP, router EIGRP 100, and here we will use distribute list, dist tri distribute list. Let's give it here we need to give the access list number that we have created. Our access list number was 10. Okay, because we are stopping this network from going outside of this R2 F01 network, so we will be using here filter outgoing packets. Okay, filter out, let's use out from where, fast ethernet 0/1. So before that let's double check whether the route was there, end-to-end connectivity was there, right? And route was also accessible. So let's hit enter. Now our command is complete, and now let's check the route. Show IP route. We got the message that resync has happened. So let's run it once again. Now we can see that 10.1.1 network has gone. Right. Now we should not be able to ping. What was the IP? Let's do 23.113. 23.1.1.3 source 10.1.1.1. Okay, now the source has been set as 10.1.1.1. Okay, and it is not able to go through because routes are being blocked over here. So if I try to ping 23.1.1.2, let's see, is it able to reach there? It is able to reach there, right? But because we have applied at the outgoing interface, so the routes are not going out from this interface to R3. So that's why now R1 10.1.1 network is blocked for R3. Guys, so this was the video about route filtering with the help of ACL and distribute list. Let me know in the comment section if you like the video. Thank you for watching this video.